Good morning and welcome again to my channel. So I would be doing a little photo review. Well, not really a review, but a photo showcase of what transpired in Pennywise on the 18th, which was Monday, the grand opening in Endeavour with Cara Cosmetics. So we have our booth there, our Cara booth, which looks like a big makeup case, and in that same booth you would meet me on I'm not sure what days, but I'm there most of the times, at least twice for the week. So I would be able to test your makeup and stuff like that. I would show you some pictures to show you kind of what it's like when it is you come into the store and the service that you get. So when you come to a Pennywise or a JD's, you just look for the Cara booth and we will sort you out.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and